meat. And I'm full right now, but at the end we're getting s'mores because it's his birthday. And plus it's your own meat. Yeah, you can cook your marshmallow in front of the stove thing. What's your favorite? My favorite's my favorite's the gyoza. Huh?
The steak.
There's steak?
Right there.
Oh.
Really good.
My favorite is the gyoza. What you cooking? Steak or something. You should try it.
Alright, that's enough. Can't see anything.
Okay.
All dark.
Yeah, it's dim in here. But it was a picture.
No, what picture? There's a flash in the whole camera.